Phill most chill is great as I narrate. If you thought I wasn't with it, let me set you straight. Because I don't think you know that I'm slaying competition at a hip-hop show. Every show I go, the rhymes start to flow, and I be cooling like a snow around an Eskimo. Got started writing rhymes in 78, and now I'm taking out suckers in every state. Got a high IQ, a lot on the ball. I got the key to the city, we're rocking them all. And my DJ, he'll go insane, or with the cut sharp enough to amputate your brain. He's a savage, slashing other DJs down. He's like a terror while the turntable spinning around. The Messiah, setting you afire. My microphone's the only thing that I require. I grab the mic so I can devastate. You can't wait. Phill most chill is great. The one who's back by popular demand, and no rapper has rhymes that I can't withstand in a battle. Cause I'm brutal, boy. Ain't running on Duracell, I ain't no toy. Getting paid like hell, rhymes rock you well. Always talking on the mic like Howard Cosell. I'm a predator, I'm not an MC's prey. I do a show, then I go back around the way. Other rappers are slave, rhymes saying renegade. To go against me, you're gonna need first aid. Cause I'm a barracuda, not a punk with a pea shooter. Rapping Rhodes Scholar with the brain of a computer. Analyzing any so-called king into the throne on the microphone ain't no thing. I'll assassinate, serve on a plate. Now you just can't wait for me to say that I'm great. I'm the utmost, the host, I have to boast. The epitome from sea to sea, to coast to coast. Baby. I'm an outlaw, my DJ's out to kill. He's Scratch Master Robin, I'm Phill most chill.
Yeah, boy, in case you wasn't aware of what's happening right about now, this is a revolution back on this hip-hop, you know what I'm saying?
4 years ago, we met on the street. I was bopping with my box cause I go with the beat. Rob said, yo, that's what I like, so won't you please show me how you rock the mic. Side to side to this very day, and that was 4 years later, and we're on our way. Making rappers pay, DJs decay. Now when we're coming, people say hip, hip, hooray. Making hip-hop jams, man, can't you understand? I can't be stopped with a mic in my hand. I go in a rage when I'm on the stage. They made a mistake when they opened my cage. Bust this from the super linguist. Now you wanna get this cause it's on the hit list. Go on and don't procrastinate. I got my DJ on the cut and all the rhymes are great.
Yeah, boy, you still don't know what time it is. It's time for the Phill most chill party. It's your big ball.
Phill most chill, Scratch Master Rob, and we're here to do work cause that's our job. We're the best of all y'all, win, show and prove. So just get off your butt and check the move, because I write the rhymes, then I file them. Scratch Master Cuts broke out of an asylum. Started with nothing and then I built, so now I'm standing real tall like Will the Phill. Gotta keep it on tempo, I keep going. You can't stop me, the rhyme stays flowing. Out of control because I'm on a roll, and you can't touch me with a 10-foot pole cause I'm a rhyme maker, not a faker but a woman taker. You better step off, boy, cause I'm a neck breaker. Leaving rappers in a comatose state. Understand? Phill most chill is great.
Yeah, all y'all fucking in the place, y'all gotta step off, you know what I'm